from Big City Luxury. Today we're going to do a little unboxing of the new Fenix PD40R version 2.0. 3000 lumen. It's going to be an amazing flashlight. I look forward to getting into it. Typical orange and black box from Fenix. Let's see what fell out here. We have a sort of holster, a belt holster or bag holster. And a lanyard. Instruction manual. Read through that later. Thank you for buying, and the warranty card. Oh yes, and because this is a rechargeable, they do include a small recharging cable. Looks like it's a Type C, which is great, so they've modernized. Let's see here if I can get this undone. Apologies, fingers twisting the wrong way there. So I give about a foot in length, but again we're having Type C. Comes with a pocket clip, a little warning message. It says, before using, please pull out the white plastic disc. So let's go ahead and do that. And before I put it back together, let's look at this big, massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Battery type 21700, 3.6 volts. Nice little rubber O-ring there. Silky smooth as expected. There it is. So notice there are no, pull off that tag, no buttons on the rear. A couple attachment points for the lanyard. This one is neat because it has a mechanical rotary or a ring guide between off and strobe. Back to off. I will do another video. This is just meant to be a quick one to see you kind of get a good feeling for it. Do a quick one so we can show you the throw and the illumination. But before we go, we can see the charging point here against USB-C. There's a small light here that indicates the charge of the battery, charge level of the battery. Thank you again for joining me for this really quick Fenix PD40R version 2.0 unboxing.